You, but you see, at this point, when we mention the name MT, everyone just sit down and they need to drink a cup of water because gushushu, we really need a cup of cold water or esincanyana nje that can make us dizzy because ay. One thing about MT's life, it's a movie. Hi, your family. Welcome to All Trending Zanzi. Hi, Bathandi Bomkos, it's MT again. The last time we talked about MT, it was when he was going through a messy breakup with his wife. Screenshots were shared. The wife allegedly revealing that she cheated, and MT as well revealing that he cheated. It was a very messy situation. Okay. 1, 2, 3 down the line, MT revealed that he has moved on with a new girlfriend of his who is also a singer, Unandi Batsarabomkosi. And since then, we have seen them posting each other on Instagram, working together, talking together, and basically sharing every moment together. And he also revealed that he is allegedly going through a process of a divorce between him and Nicole. I'm not quite sure if that divorce is finalized or not, but they are. And him and the new girlfriend Nandi, they even have matching tattoos, but where MT has the name of Nandi on his arm and Nandi has the name of her man on her arm. Aisha, relationship goals. We all thought that MT was okay. He was back on track and everything was okay until he got arrested. But Sandibum goes, yes. As we speak, MT is behind bars. His bail has been revoked. But Sandibum goes, and the reason why he's behind bars is because he has allegedly broken the rules of a protection order that the ex-wife, Nicole, has actually placed against him, Batsari Bongosi. So there were rules of the protection order that he was not allowed to talk about Nicole on the internet, post about Nicole on the internet, and many other things that involves a protection order, Batsari Bongosi. Allegedly, UMT Lona sent a very nasty WhatsApp text to Nicole using a very nasty name, which got him arrested. He broke one of the rules and he got arrested. And his bail was revoked, and this is because this was not the first time MT was arrested for this matter. So that is one of the reasons why his bail was revoked and he still remains behind bars. So which means that now the girlfriend and the family, they are left behind and they are fighting. As you can see on this video, the family is requesting MT's assets, car, his cell phone and bank cards, and the girlfriend is refusing to give them those allegedly. And it looks like it's a serious issue. It is a serious issue, but because why is she refusing? Allegedly. If these things, they do belong to MT and she's just a girlfriend, why is she refusing? Hey, let's look at what people had to say. But that lady was on her way to the court, and I assume MT must have left everything with her. The family and the lady must stand together, unite behind MT, not fight like this. Families are evil. She's just protecting her man's assets. It's very clear. She was told not to do so by her man. Usho kahle nje u-MT wathi ungabaniki nix basekhaya. Acting like a wife while you're just a mere girlfriend, embarrassing. It's so embarrassing, so you just want to drive around shame. She did the right thing. MT ex-wife want to steal from him while he's in jail. If I leave you with my things, don't give it to anyone without my permission. Yo, Hasham. Bophelo ba MT, I am telling you, Batsadi Bomkosi, key movie. It's a movie. It keeps on giving us seasons and episodes. I don't know which season is this. Season / my girlfriend is in control. Hey, Luna. Aisham, please leave your comments and your thoughts down below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Catch you on my next one. Bye.